there, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based product, info product and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level. And of course, you know that is going to positively affect your life. And of course, today I have another amazing review for a product, a TikTok product that is called TikTok CashBot. TikTok CashBot is one that launched on the 5th of May 2022 at exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As I talk to you now, this product has been launched for 24 hours, and of course it's been launched, was launched by the great affiliate, the billionaire Wesley Virgin, and he is actually using this very product to enrich people, and it means that you override the YouTube algorithm in such a way that you'll be able to post videos, and most of these videos are done for you videos, and you post them, you make between $25 to $50 each time you post a done for you video. I mean, video is done for you, and you know TikTok has the audience of growing audience of over 2 billion people, and on daily basis I have a TikTok account where I get sometimes thousands of views, and of course I know what that means and how you can translate with this bot and making money online, posting done for you videos. If this is a product you would like to have to market on TikTok and make money every day, as long as you want, this is a product you are going to need. And if you need it, you will get the link to it. The first link in my description area will give you access to this very product, and that link will definitely bring you to this very page, my bonus page, which is this, and you can claim a copy for yourself using this link or any of the other yellow links here. And this is a product I believe anybody who wants to make money online, if you are using your telephone and TikToking for pleasure or for any reason, why don't you convert it to making money using this very TikTok CashBot? I mean, this is a machine, a tool that is going to make money for you on TikTok, because everything is automated and monetized in such a way that you'll be making $25 to $50 each time you post any done for you video using this very software. Okay, with that said, the product says that it is going to be one that you will definitely have access to if making money online is your intention, because here you will be able to make money using this product. And if you stick with me, I will show you through the sales page where you have a $2 discount using this very coupon, and of course show you through the amazing members area software itself, so that we can take a look and see how you can definitely take this to another level, making money online for yourself. Now let us go through the amazing bonus page that I have prepared for you, and here it says one-click app uploads viral videos to TikTok and gets free traffic in 2 to 3 minutes, and this traffic turns into repeat $20 to $25 payments. Hit the upload button and you are all set to go. And I mean, this is crazy. This is very crazy. And of course, you stand to make money with this. It says your chance to tap into the $75 billion TikTok algorithm, and you'll be able to use this brand new app working flawlessly in 2022, and just upload the done for you videos and you are all set. Anyone can do this with zero experience, and you can tap into this amount of money, $75 billion, which is out there to be made, and zero risk, 365-day money back guarantee. And then if you fail, this product vendor is going to pay you $250 for your troubles. I mean, what else are you looking for? And here are the amazing prices for this one. Here you have the front end for $19, and if you get to the sales page, you will find this very discount coupon that is going to give you $2 discount, making it $17 for you, which means you get it as cheap as it is offered. And now upgrade number 1, which is the ultimate version of this, goes for $197. Upgrade number 2, done for you, goes for $297. Everything in this very upsell, this very upgrade 2, means everything is done for you. Imagine spending $297 and have this system set up for you in such a way that each time you post on your own TikTok wall video done for you with this software, you will be making the monetized system will make $25 to $50 for you, whether you do anything or not. You are not basically creating any videos. All the videos are done for you. All you need to do is to upload them as much as you want in a day and be able to make money using this. So it's crazy. I am so excited. And here you have the upgrade number 1, the ultimate, which is also advisable to get. Here you have the upgrade number 3, which is 47 automation, which means everything is automated for you, and the system runs itself, automates these videos and send them periodically according to the setting you are going to give it to it on the members area. Now you have the upgrade number 4, goes for 67. This is instant profit. Upgrade number 5, traffic on tap. Traffic is basically harvested in this very upgrade, which means there is automated traffic that drives this very system in such a way that you make that money when you upload each video. And here you have upgrade number 6, franchise, goes for 197. Here you have upgrade number 7, which goes for the multiple income, it goes for $47. So this is basically what you have to get with this one. And here are the amazing benefits you stand to get, and it has 365-day, 1-year money back guarantee. And here are the amazing bonuses that I have for you. 4 of them. Definitely you will be able to have these ones waiting for you when you have access to my Warrior Plus account. When you purchase this product, you will find a link, a page like this on your purchase history. You will find a page that looks like this. This one gives you access to the TikTok CashBot, and here you have this blue one giving you access to these amazing bonuses that I have for you. All vendor bonuses, affiliate marketing for tutorial for beginners, and you have how to get traffic to any link, and you have how to convert your traffic fast, and of course how to create free professional websites. So all these things are going to be yours, including the vendor bonuses. So it's crazily one product that I believe everybody who wants to make money online should have. Now let us see what the members area looks like. Here you have the dashboard. Of course, that's where we are right now. You have the user settings. Here you have the affiliate settings, because what this video is doing is deriving your affiliate links and all that with this video, so that once people click on your video and watch your video, definitely you stand that chance of getting the automation system through the done for you videos that will definitely have those clicks that you need to make money as an affiliate and all that. And here you have the bonuses that I promised you, upgrades, marketing tools. These are the tools you are going to have for this very purpose of marketing this product. I believe this is where the whole thing rises, because marketing means making money, marketing something, So here you have view campaigns. Here you have create new campaigns. These are the campaigns that will be created. But if you want it done for you, that upgrade number 3, I guess, is going to help you. Upgrade number 2 is going to help you do that very automation, and that done for you. Everything is set up for you, so that you start from today to make money. Okay. Here you have the video tutorials for this setup of this very members area, the software itself, and here you get help, and here you have your domain. So these are some of the amazing motivational quotes and self-help and cooking recipes, all the other optional things that you have with this very one. Here you have the 51 videos available, 100 videos coming, 4 active campaigns. This is already the one that the beta testers used, and you have everything at your convenience. You'll be able to have access to there, go through this very training, and be able to start using this on your TikTok account. So that is basically what this one is all about. Now let's see the sales page together and see how we can make use of this. Now this is the sales page, which is actually going to load, and here you have all this information that will be yours when you gain access to this very page. You will be able to see all the information you have here at sales page and see if this is going to be for you. But I know what is the point of using your telephone to watch videos on TikTok when you can use the same phone and a couple of hours a day, 1 or 2 hours a day to make money online. So I mean, that decision should be a thing that should not waste time for anybody to take, because I mean, what is the point of using your telephone, getting internet installed, paying payments for internet installation, and of course at the end of the day you don't use it to make money. So this is the bonus number 1 from the vendor, 500 per day playing games, and bonus number 2, 300 daily by copy and paste. And bonus number 3, 800 in 1 hour with Google Chrome. Bonus number 4 will be 400 per day with WhatsApp. And these are all the 4 vendor bonuses. And of course, you have 4 from me. That's 8 amazing bonuses that you stand to use as long as this one is concerned. And definitely, I am excited, and you should be, because you can use your telephone to make money online using the TikTok CashBot, which is the rave of the moment. And this is definitely where we are going to bring to an end this amazing product review. I will come back to you. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications, and I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike at Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here. It's goodbye, guys.